Hello there, my name's Dale from Bentley Property Team, and here we are at number 36 Discovery Drive in Little Mountain. Walking in the front door, we've got a bedroom to the right as we walk in with built-in robes, louvers, ceiling fan, security screens, good sized bedroom, all new carpets all the way through the home. Were installed about 3-4 weeks ago. Front media room, living room, ceiling fan, air conditioner, reverse cycle, split system unit there, louvers up on the windows. Very stylish front entryway to the home, and then into a separate area which includes the dining, the family, and this beautiful kitchen. Absolutely fantastic kitchen. I do like that. Nice big corner pantry, underbench oven, cooktop, range hood with glass. Nice. Plenty of room for the big fridge. Nice. Really, really nice. Nice and stylish. Through into the main bathroom, laundry, a separate loo there. Outside into this fernery, you can see the table and chairs here. The owners enjoy coffee out the back in their fernery every morning, which is a great spot to start the day. The lady of the home loves her pot plants and does very well with them too, as you can see. Absolutely terrific. Back into the laundry, double door storage in the laundry. Back into the main living area. We do have a bedroom 4, up the hallway here, back towards the front, security screen. That's to the side of the home. 3 doors of robes. Also have a double door storage here in the hallway, and that's the door to the double lock-up garage there. Spinning back around and back down into the main living area. Louvers on the window, security screens, door out to the back patio, which we'll have a look at in a minute. Kitchen, front media room. Very nice, stylish home. Going to catch me in the mirror in a minute. Out to the back patio. Bedroom number 3. Once again, security screen, ceiling fan, nice feature wall, 3 doors of robes, good sized robes. Into the master bedroom. 4 doors of mirrors. Door outside to the back patio. Split system aircon up on the wall, ceiling fan. New carpets through, as I said, all bedrooms, front living area. Out to the back patio, I can just see hot summer night, get the kids into bed. Mum and Dad go for a splash out in the pool, cool down. Take your seat out the back there, have some nibblies when the kids have gone to bed. And chill out and enjoy each other's company and relax. Great spot, lovely big patio. We'll go and have a look out there in a sec. Main bedroom, ensuite. Good size ensuite, vanity, loo, shower, heater lights up on the ceiling. Nice, really comfortable home. Plenty of space. Master bedroom, bedroom 2, bedroom 3 up the hallway there, bedroom 4 at the front door. Kitchen, great. Dining area, plenty of room. There's a 6-seater dining room table here. Out to the back patio. Fitted bench in there, fridge in the corner, clock up on the wall, bar. Does life get much better than this? As I said, plenty of room out here, pool table, outdoor setting, lights up on the middle there for your pool table and outside living area. Saltwater in-ground pool. Absolutely lovely. Nice big L shape. It's got a step there for the kids to play on, right around. Bit of garden area over to the side of the pool there. Nice and private. Down the side there's a man cave. There's a separate building there, man cave, storage area, rainwater tank, aircon units down there tucked away for the home. Great spot, 36 Discovery Drive, Little Mountain. Come and take a look, love to show you through. My name's Dale, Bentley Property Team, 0413 044 331. Give me a call, love to show you through. Talk to you soon, bye.